Welcome to the 2021 Movie Expo, where you'll connect with thousands of industry professionals from around the world. Featuring a live virtual trade show, online networking, and great deals and discounts on industry products and specials. Experience an online event unlike any other. Join this year from the comfort of your home. Everyone can now get a chance to learn from the industry's best and brightest. With over 30 expert speakers and 20-plus hours of industry panels that you can attend live online. All panels will be available to stream at a later date, so you won't miss a thing. Visit exhibitors' booth virtually. Have your favorite foods delivered to your doorstep and connect with attendees in our virtual rooms. You can even pitch your script ideas to our industry professionals. $1.7 million in option scripts at last year's Movie Expo. Hurry, pitch sessions are limited. Get the industry secrets and learn how pros got started. Daily surprise booth draws for the highest booth visitor. Enjoy special performances from all across the globe at our closing award show. Mark your calendars for March 20 and 21st from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily. Exhibit hall passes are free. Get your free exhibit hall passes today at movie-expo.com. So what are you waiting for? Get your event passes today. Register by visiting movie-expo.com/event-info. Get ready to experience Movie Expo 2021 online.